Ciao, I'm Fabio Caltanissetta. I'm the Material and Process R&D Manager in Caracol. An IoT platform is crucial to make any process scalable and repeatable. First, the ability to collect and analyze data improves machine performance and stability, as well as enabling detailed analysis on the outcomes. This aspect is particularly important for large format additive manufacturing, since it's a new technology and has a limited amount of historical data available. Additionally, data supports operator in planning maintenance activities in a structured and intelligent manner, helping to prevent unexpected production stoppages. IoT solutions go beyond simply collecting, storing, and visualizing data. Their main goal is to extract valuable insight to imbue machines with a degree of intelligence and autonomy, allowing them to make informed decisions and to adapt to their environment. This shift means that production quality and consistency will no longer rely solely on expertise of individual operators, but will instead be based on data-driven analysis, ensuring more reliable and repeatable results. Moreover, utilizing data reduces the inherent complexity and variability of additive manufacturing processes. At the heart of Caracol are our advanced robotic platform, Heron and Vibra, to create components using thermoplastic material extrusion and direct energy deposition for metal alloys. To enhance this offering, we have developed the Eidos Manufacturing software suite, built on years of experience in large format additive manufacturing. This includes Eidos Builder, which allows users to transform 3D models into complex toolpaths in few steps, and Eidos IoT, our cloud-based solution for live machine and process monitoring, data log, platform maintenance, and remote control. Talking about Eidos IoT, our software offers a direct connection to the client platform from personal laptops, as well as from a dedicated onboard screen. It enables the acquisition of live data from system controller and sensors to trace parameters, verifying process stability, and preventing potential flaws. Eidos IoT can collect many variables, such as extruder temperatures, robot velocity, screw speed, energy consumption, and display them in a user-friendly format, like gauge, time series, or interactive digital twin. Eidos IoT consolidates all platform logs into a single application, giving visibility on the machine status as well as the presence of warning and process errors. Furthermore, the software gives the user insights for maintaining and replacing platform-critical components. Finally, the software enables the remote production control, allowing the print interruption in any moment. The adherence to Industry 4.0 was central to design the feature of Eidos IoT. First, we built the software keeping in mind the smart production principles, thus enabling intelligent process control and dynamic optimization to enhance efficiency. Next, our service capability offers remote access and support over-the-air software updates, ensuring seamless operations. We also prioritize smart energy initiatives that aim to reduce waste and minimize consumption through intelligent monitoring and management. Lastly, our commitment to comprehensive data traceability and storage facilitates integration with manufacturing execution system and enterprise resource planning, empowering business for data-driven decision-making. We are now working to integrate new sensors for inline monitoring the product characteristics, enhancing real-time data collection and process control. In this way, we will monitor not only the machine status, but also the product quality while the machine is printing, in order to anticipate and adjust part and process issues. This will be done through the application of artificial intelligence on signals of different natures, reinforcing the process stability and Heron and Vibra platform autonomy.